Hey everybody, Zeke with Talking Lead.
Left hand here.
And we're here with Clay Greenfield. Clay, you're number 68 in the Camping World Truck Series, right?
Yes.
And we are now on your truck, both on the side and on the bed there, as I punch you in the logo. I'm just trying to show the logo, that's all I was doing. Talladega last weekend, where you went, right?
I was there. You've seen the pictures, you've heard the stories.
And you thought it was going to be all boring and dull, and
I did.
Now you're a fan.
I am. I'm hooked now. I've never watched a NASCAR race, and I watched the race and started watching it to cheer on our logo going around in the circle. But then I was like, all about it. Yeah, I'm hooked now. I can't wait till this weekend's race. But here's some videos. Check them out. Stuff that Left Hand did with Clay down at the race last weekend, and watch him this weekend in the Martinsville race.
Will you babysit this? This your pre-game luck ritual?
Yeah, this is pre-game don't burn out of my foot ritual. I've got a nasty picture from Daytona last year. I had a blister on my foot like that big that raised up. I couldn't walk for 3 weeks. It was a bad deal.
Caught him.
She was just
doing it in levels. Now they're rebranding the whole thing.
I'm Clay Greenfield, and I listen to Talking Lead, America's #1 gun podcast. If you don't listen to Talking Lead, then you're just a jackwagon. Hi, I'm Clay Greenfield. Listen to Talking Lead because I do. And if you don't listen to Talking Lead, you're stupid. I don't know what to do with my hands. Guys, what do I do with my hands? I've never done an interview before. I don't know where to keep my hands. I'm Clay Greenfield. Talking Lead because they're awesome. I'm Clay Greenfield. Talking Lead's my favorite YouTube channel. And if you don't watch them, something's wrong with your head. Talking Lead. Don't be a jackwagon. Listen to them instead. I'm Clay Greenfield. If you don't listen to Talking Lead, you. Don't be a jackwagon. Listen to them instead.
It's like a nursery rhyme.
What do I do with my hands?
Just hold them hold the sticker in front of you there.
No, this is the skit.
Oh. That would be good too.
You gotta run that. I'm Clay Greenfield. Marty, leave the room. I'm Clay Greenfield, and I listen to talking. I'm Clay Greenfield. Now he's going in the closet.
We may not.